Hello, welcome to Wdgaming. Yeah. Now I'm pressing. Will you press the button? Okay. I'm playing. Why did I say I'm pressing? Okay. Here we go. Alright. You can have infinite money, but you call me maybe is instantly playing inside of your head non-stop.
This is crap, man.
Well, I don't have a problem with the song. You can have infinite money. Well, in technicality, I'll go insane after a while. I listen to one song over and over and over, and a song that I really haven't listened to for a while, or at all, in a sense, in a way. I've never heard the full song of Call Me Maybe. I have heard versions, just because I would not press this button. I just, nah, it doesn't matter. Nah, I don't need the money either way. 53 people have pressed this button, 47 did not. Apparently 53% of the people like the song. I don't know what it's about, but okay. Okay. You can become any type of animal you want, real or fictional. You're a female of that species, captive, live a long life strictly for breeding. I cannot talk. I cannot say some of these words. Okay. Well, I've never been a woman. I've never been a woman. But I know pregnancy hurts. I could ask my mom. I know that for sure. I don't think I would. I don't know. I wouldn't really care for it. I wouldn't be like, But I would actually love to be a nine-tailed fox. That's an animal in a way. It's a spirit animal, but Naruto. But I would, it says animal, fictional or not. So I would be like, there would be a lot of animals I would want to be. I would love to be the nine-tailed fox. One, I would love to be a werewolf. Shoot a dog. I would love to be. I would love to be a lot. But the breeding's got an issue with me, alright? Because a female, I don't have a problem being a female. I've never been it. Why not? Right? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna press the button. 34% people have pressed this button. Why? Okay, yes. Okay. 66% did not. Okay, apparently they weren't thinking in a way, but at the same time, they might not want to go through the breeding process pain, but you don't have to have, you don't have to have babies every year, basically. You'd be a long life strictly for breeding. Yes, you'd be breeding, but it wouldn't have to be year after year. It wouldn't have to. It could be a long period of times in a way, because they never say you gotta do it all the time. It never says that. So, that's a good one, but whatever. You can access the internet with your mind, but the internet connection speed is horribly slow no matter where you are. No. Sorry, I'm not doing that because my videos already upload really freaking slow. and I love doing videos for y'all. So if they upload slower than what they do, I'm gonna go insane. Nah, I just wouldn't. And nah, I wouldn't. I agree with the 57%. You marry the perfect person, but you will live forever and the other person not. Keep in mind you will be alone forever. Okay. Not tricked. They gave it to you plain and simple. Said, hey, yo, homie, you live forever. You find the perfect person. They die, because they don't live forever. Okay. You will live alone forever. No! Easy enough. N-O. Sorry. If I'm gonna live forever, I want my loved one to live forever. Yeah. Anyways. Have all food replaced with candy. Okay. That's not really a upside, but at the same time is because I love Reese's. And I call them Reese's, not Reese's. But this includes toothpaste. What? What? How much sense does that make? This includes toothpaste. Does it mean like after you eat you have to, it doesn't specify. It doesn't specify. Because I really don't care for candy, and I can already eat candy as it is, and I like eating other food like freaking beans and rice. I know a lot of people don't like that. Pizza is my favorite food ever. I'm sorry, pizza is so delicious. Nah, I would, no. No need. No need. That was a good question. No need. You will be able to play and own Half-Life 3. What? I never heard of that. But that will be your only game you can ever play again. I never heard of it. So, I'm not gonna press the button. I don't know if it's a good game or not. So, I really never heard of it. Oh, Liffern. What? Whatever. I said good. Okay. You can fly, but while in the air, you shit every 3 seconds, kind of like a bird. And everything's... Oh. At least you're not constipated. At least that's the upside in a way. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. I'm gonna press good. I wish there was a great. That was too good. That was too good. It was too great. I would have pressed the button, but oh, I'm sorry. That was too good. No, I can't get off this question now. Okay, I'm going. Okay. 44% have pressed this button. 56 did not. I don't think they would. 30 seconds. When you're flying, while in the air, you like a bird. Kind of like a bird. Where's the great? Where's great, man? Too good. Too good. Alright. Hold up. You have the imaginary. No. Hold on, wait a second. You have the imagination of J.K. Rowling. I don't even know who that is.
J.R.R. Tolkien's and George R.R. Martin combined, but you're illiterated. I can't say the word. I'm still stuck on 3 second. I'm sorry. Woo! Let me take that out the file cabinet. I would not. I don't know who they are. So, I'm just gonna say good. Just whatever. You will become immune to all forms of pain and diseases. Okay, but everything you. I wasn't done with the question. Okay, everything you read will be printed in Comic Sans. Okay, Sans. 80 people have pressed this button. Apparently, did I press it? I don't know, but okay. Well, I'm gonna say good, and I don't see the downside on that. Okay, you would become the CEO of Apple, but you are haunted by the ghost of Steve Jobs forever. He might be trying to tell you what. He might be trying to give you hints. It's not like haunted is just like saying you're haunted by something. Like you're haunted by a ghost. You're haunted by a dog. Haunted can be in many ways. You can be haunted by a good spirit, haunted by an evil spirit. If I'm haunted by Steve Jobs, have I heard of him? Yes, I have. A lot of people have heard of Steve Jobs. Ghost of Steve Jobs. They might be giving you like tips, like, dude, you could do this, homie. I think this right here would work, right? I wouldn't have a problem, I'll be a billionaire, and I'll have a homie, who's the ghost form. No one else can see but me, basically, and he'd whisper in my ears what the new product should be. Plus, I'll give my own products out, even though I don't like phones. I really don't care for phones. But I would love the money. I would love the money, but I don't need the money. I would give the money to the poor. I would be able to give money to poor. I'll be able to help people out. So I would press the button just to help everybody out. Not because I want the money. No, I do want the money, but I want to help everybody else too. Half-Life 3 releases in a month, but Vaults would never make another single player game. Okay, Vols. Some of the game people who create games, I know a couple of people only. I know Midway, the dude who does Splinter Cell, who has died like almost a year ago now, and maybe one more, especially Scott, who did Five Nights at Freddy, and I got my theory on that. Only reason why I knew about him because I watch stuff. I watch YouTube on Five Nights at Freddy. I got a theory that I think is correcto to the ecto because it's got an echo. Okay. Anyways, I don't know what Half-Life 3 release. What is Half-Life? I've seen this 2 times now. Half-Life 3. I've seen it 2 times. I would not. No. I don't know what the game is. I think I've seen it 2 times. Did I see it 2 times? I don't know. Did I? Alright. You can change the size of your dick, boobs, or, if you're a girl, boobs, at will. But everyone will know about it. Okay, like I care. Shoot. Whoa, let me think about this. Maybe y'all need to think about this. I don't know what to do, y'all. I'm gonna put this on the ending notes. I don't know what to say. Y'all tell me in the comments what y'all would pick. Guys. Check Cant when I was young. I didn't want no one to know help. Okay, I'll leave that out of that. Alright, Wdgaming. I love y'all. You know, comment what y'all love about this, man. Will you press the button? You know, all you gotta do is search it on computer and everything. Will you press the button.com? You know, it does it for you. And I got my little camera here, up here, and I'm loving you. I'm loving you all for all the help you are giving me. Well, help on subscribing, likes, and all this. You know, my New Year's special will be in the link, and maybe another video too. Check them out, like them. If you're new to my channel, you know, subscribe, homie. Press that like button, please, for your homie WD. I love y'all, my friends. I'll see y'all next time.